Hello guys, papahita niya ba parts of the house. Look guys, oh, meron bamboo snacks open. Ito mga yun, school supplies. Ito ilaruan ni Joseph. Ito mga snacks, food, and kitchens. Kitchen. Meron pang ref, chair, table, and others. Nagtitinda kami school supplies, gawang Ferris wheel, punta tayo sa taas guys. PCR, beds, nakita ko nothing guys. There is another kwarto, another beds. Hey, Yosef! May kami. Ito, ganda guys. So, guys, like and subscribe to this video. Bye bye.